discover this stunning container home built using 4 6-foot containers, 2 on the ground floor and 2 on the upper level, beautifully designed to bring modern architecture into an urban environment. Outside, the containers feature a sleek black and white aesthetic, creating a bold contemporary look. The original container doors remain mounted and opened on the lower floor, while the former window openings have been transformed into large glass sections that let in plenty of natural light. Step inside to explore a warm and inviting modern interior. The ground floor includes a spacious living room, a stylish kitchen, and a full bathroom. At the center of the home, a striking spiral staircase leads to the upper level. Where you'll find a cozy master bedroom, a comfortable double bedroom, and an additional bathroom. Between the 2 upper containers, a bright central passage illuminated by a skylight enhances the sense of space and creates a unique open atmosphere. Outside, a beautiful garden brings a refreshing touch of nature right in the heart of the city. Enjoy the tour and get inspired by this modern, creative, and welcoming container home.